How to block and unblock numbers in Google Voice. First of all, open the Google Voice app and sign in with your Google account. To block a number, find a conversation or call log with the unwanted contact. Tap the More Options icon next to the number or conversation, then select Block Number. Confirm your choice to stop calls and text from that number. Once blocked, you won't receive any notifications or messages from that contact. To unblock a number, go to myaccount.google.com/blocklist in the browser. Here it will display all the numbers that have been blocked. Tap the cross icon or unblock button next to the number you want to allow again. Unblocking restores their ability to call and message you without any restrictions. Once unblocked, calls and text from that number will come through normally without any filters. Now you know how to block and unblock numbers in Google Voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.